Let's wrap up the day in SEO and AI. Here are the stories that mattered most today. From young coding prodigies to the evolving landscape of AI-powered trading and app development, it's been a dynamic day.
Vid sponsor ad, index backlinks pages fast https, www.ultimateindexing.com. Watch until end for discount.
Breaking this evening, we've seen a remarkable demonstration of how young minds are already leading the way in AI-driven development. Two students from Walnut Coding, an online programming platform, aged just 8 and 15, have been featured as instructors at the Huawei Cloud Developer Training Camp. These exceptionally talented youngsters showcased their ability to harness AI tools, specifically Huawei Cloud Codeberg, to transform innovative concepts into fully functional applications. Their success underscores a critical point in education. The future of coding isn't just about writing code, but about discerning which problems to solve and effectively leveraging AI as a tool. The big story today was the profound shift occurring in retail investing, with individuals now creating their own AI trading programs through simple language prompts, a phenomenon dubbed vibe coding. Business Insider reports on traders achieving remarkable success, with one claiming an 87% monthly return from a system they built themselves. While this offers the promise of automated discipline in overcoming human trading biases, a crucial caveat emerges: these DIY systems often lack the rigorous risk management and compliance protocols that underpin professional financial institutions. The challenge isn't just generating the code, but building the essential framework of discipline, risk thresholds, and thorough testing before committing real capital. Shifting gears, we're seeing a clear stance emerging from the open source community regarding AI. Members of Codeberg, a non-profit code hosting service, have voted to prohibit the use of user-provided code and data for training generative AI tools, and to ban projects they classify as vibe-coded, meaning software largely generated by LLMs with minimal human oversight. This decision stems from concerns about the resource strain caused by AI company web crawlers and a broader argument that the true costs of AI, including environmental impact, are being externalized. While Codeberg is taking a firm position, the practical enforcement of these new terms, particularly the vibe coding ban, remains to be detailed. In other news, the race for dominance in the digital advertising space continues, with new data suggesting that traditional paid search channels, particularly Google and Meta, are far from being eclipsed by generative AI platforms. Despite the rise of concepts like answer engine optimization, spending on paid search has seen a significant surge, with U.S. expenditure alone increasing by 122% over the last 15 months. Social media advertising is also experiencing explosive growth, with TikTok, in particular, showing remarkable revenue increases. This indicates that while AI is transforming discovery, the established players in paid search and social media are still holding strong. Here is something you might have missed. The rapid advancement of vibe coding is creating a bottleneck in Apple's App Store review process. The ease with which AI tools can generate functional iOS applications has led to a dramatic increase in submissions, with a 30% rise in new apps over the past year and a staggering 84% year-over-year increase in the first quarter of this year. This influx of new products, however, hasn't been matched by a proportional increase in user engagement, leading to concerns about low-quality software. Apple is now reportedly blocking updates or removing applications capable of executing direct code, highlighting the growing tension between AI-powered development speed and content moderation. Next up, a prominent AI figure, Andrej Karpathy, has offered a counterintuitive tip for crafting effective AI prompts: don't overthink it. He suggests engaging in extended, uninhibited flow of consciousness via voice input, allowing the AI to synthesize the rambling into coherent output. While this approach can foster enhanced synergy, it also highlights the ongoing drive to improve voice AI technologies, with companies like OpenAI and Anthropic integrating more sophisticated vocal input methods into their platforms. The transformative power of AI in app development is again highlighted by a report indicating that 63% of individuals using vibe coding tools are not traditional developers. This influx of designers, marketing professionals, and complete novices is fostering greater creativity and problem solving. However, this democratization of software creation comes with significant risks, as the speed of AI generation often outpaces the robustness of underlying engineering, leading to potential issues with error management, security, and long-term reliability. The industry's current focus on rapid release over ongoing maintenance is creating an unseen trust deficit for users. In a significant move for health tech, ChatGPT's health feature is now integrating personal medical records with data from Apple Health. This allows users to ask AI questions directly related to their medication history, lab results, and activity levels, consolidating fragmented health information. OpenAI has emphasized stringent privacy measures, stating that this data will not be used for model training or advertising. While this presents a powerful tool for organizing health information and preparing for doctor's appointments, it also amplifies the consequences of any inaccuracies. That's everything for today. See you first thing tomorrow morning for the next briefing.
Add index backlinks pages fast https www.ultimateindexing.com. Enter social 20 for 20 discount at website checkout. Like us, comment and subscribe. Thank you.